Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So let's do some practice. She can blank French. Speaking. What's the right answer? So remember guys, the keyword here is can. Whenever you have can, could, may, might, must, should. They are all called modal verbs. And they are followed by the base verb. Only the base verb. You have to remember this. No S, no ing. So here the right answer is speak. She can speak French. Next, if you blank carefully, you will not have an accident. Drive, will drive, drove. So here if is a conditional sentence. Here you have if sentence. This is the one's first sentence. This is the first sentence, comma, and this is the second sentence. The rule says in the first sentence you will use second sentence. The rule says in the first sentence you will use present tense. And in second sentence, will plus first form of verb. Will plus first form of verb. Here is your will. This is the second sentence. And here we are going to use present tense. And the first sentence, will drive, is wrong. This is future and drove is second. So first form of verb is drive. So the right answer is drive. Drive carefully and you will not have an accident. Third, if you blank hard, you will pass the exam. Study, studied, will study. So guys, you do this one and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos. Please do support my